Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these fun witch Halloween nails. So I have a fresh set of nails sculpted out, and you can see I did go quite a bit shorter than I normally do. I thought I'd give short nails a little try. But the first color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Tennis Anyone. This is a super neon bright green. I originally bought this for summertime neon nails, but it came in handy for Halloween nails. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's London Fog. This came out in their fall collection. This is a super pretty gray deep purple shade. I also did a look with this for Geo Nails. I will leave a link in the description box down below for that. But I painted this on my middle finger as well as my thumb. And now we're going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black. This is my favorite black gel polish. I'm going to paint this on my pointer finger. And now on my ring finger, I'm going to create 3 black stripes. And I'm going to do this at the edge of the nail as if you were creating a French tip, but the 3 black lines are going to be the start of a striped witch's hat. And I do flash cure in between each line. Now I'm going to go back in and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now back to my ring finger, I'm going to go in and fill in the empty striped areas, one with that bright green and the other with that purple. Now going in with Light Elegance's DEWDROP. It is a super pretty silver. It is perfect for drawing and doing nail art with. I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a little witch's buckle right in the middle of that first black line. And I'm also going to take this color on my thumb and I'm just going to do like an angled outline in the cuticle area. Now we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Storm Chaser. It is a super pretty purple and blue black based glitter from their fall collection. I'm going to create a glitter fade starting at the cuticle area of my pointer finger. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. I'm going to take this Born Pretty plate number 31. Super cool Halloween, has a bunch of different Halloween designs on it. We're going to use the bottom spider web as well as this little witch riding her broom. And to start off for stamping polish, I'm going to use Hansen's Black to Black. We're going to go in with that spider web. And you can see it does take me a few tries to get this right. I don't know why I was struggling with the spider web, but that's how stamping is. Sometimes you don't get it right the first time, but it's easy to just wipe off and try again. Now taking Sally Hansen's Silver Stallion, we're going to go in and we're going to stamp that little witch riding her broom on my thumb. Now we're going to add some crystals. As always, I'll be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. I'm going to start on my middle finger, and I'm going to do a whole crystal cluster. So I'm doing that whole area of the cuticle area with the Stay Put Jelly. Then I'm going to go in with these little rings, and I'm going to choose a silver one and put it right in the middle. And the crystals I'm going to be using is Paradise Shine. It's a shift from purple to green, as well as fern green and regular crystal. And so I find a Paradise Shine one that fits perfectly in that little ring. And then I go in and alternate between the fern green and the crystal to create a cute little cluster on my middle finger. Then I do go in on my thumb and I add a little trio of the crystals in the corner. Now we're going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how my nails came out, and I absolutely love these. I did them on both my hands, and I've been wearing them for a couple weeks now. I like them that much. But I love the combination of the super bright green with a little bit of a muted purple and then the black. It's so cute, and I love the crystal cluster, how that came out. And for some reason, I love doing these Halloween kind of mix and match nails. I did a set like this last year. I will leave a link to that video down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Halloween videos coming up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!